Hey guys, good morning. Today's Thursday, October 8th, and we're going to analyze and see why equivalent ratios have the same unit rate. Okay. Our learning target for today is I can give an example of two equivalent ratios and show that they have the same unit rates, and I can multiply or divide by the unit rate to calculate missing values in a table of equivalent ratios. So if you'll take a minute and pause the video and write these down. Okay, number talks. Which one doesn't belong? Please be prepared to explain your reasoning. Well, immediately the thing that I see is that number 4 is in kilometers. Everything else is in standard units, miles, which is what we do here in America. I think kilometers, the metric system, is mainly used in Europe. So I see that number 4 is in metrics. I also see that I have some of these expressed in minutes and some of them expressed in hours. Okay, number 1 is in minutes, number 2 is in minutes, but 3 and 4 are in hours. I also notice miles is first, the distance is first in 1, 3, and 4. But the time is first in number 2, okay? So that will make a difference in how you explain things. All right, so we can make an argument for several of them of why they don't belong. It's just a matter of perspective, okay? All right, I'm going to go right on. 2 burritos cost $14. Okay, complete the table to show that the cost for 4, 5, and 10 burritos at that rate. Next, find the cost for a single burrito. So here's the only thing we know. The only thing we know are that 2 burritos are $14. So how much would 4 burritos? Well, all I'm going to do is scale up. 2 up to 4, that's 2 times 2. So this is going to be 14 times 2. So what needs to go here? 28. That's right. Okay. So what goes with 5? Well, if I know that 4 is 28, 5 is going to be a little more than 28, right? So if I wanted to find 5, I could find the cost of 4 and add it to the cost of 1. Well, 1's fairly easy to calculate. I can divide this in half and get 7. So 5 burritos would be 28 plus 7, which would be 35. Okay? So then 10 burritos would be 10 times 7, which is 70. And B burritos, that's a little different. Okay, so let's see. Let's look at the table. Didn't we multiply by 7 every time? 2 times 7 is 14. 4 times 7 is 28. 5 times 7, 10 times 7, B times 7. This one, just because I have a letter instead of a number, it's not going to be any different. And I know that for every 1 burrito, I'm going to pay $7. I'm going to pay $7 for every 1 burrito. Okay, same thing here. Number of burritos, cost in dollars. Cost divided by the number of burritos. Cost divided by the number of burritos. Okay, again, 2 cost divided by 2 burritos. Any questions? Okay, so here's your task. A cheetah can run at its top speed for about 25 seconds. Complete the table to represent a cheetah running at a constant speed. So what's the first thing you're going to have to do? The first thing you're going to have to do is find that speed, right? What's that speed going to be? I'll help you get started. What's that speed going to be? What's our distance divided by our time? 120 divided by 4 is 30. So you would need to put 30 right here. Okay? All right. Thanks, guys.